Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a styling video and I used a product from Vatika. This is the Vatika Afro Naturals Lock and Twist Gel and it contains shea butter as well as coconut oil. It promises no flaking, lasting hold, and it retains moisture. Before we get into the video, these are the results. This is the next day. I have a lot of shrinkage, a whole lot of shrinkage. The hold is very soft. My hair does feel soft. My curls do have some definition, but for me personally, this isn't the best result that I've received from a wash and go or from a gel, but you can be the judge. You guys watch my video. These are the results. I think that if I fluff my hair out too much, I will get a lot of frizz. So for me, this is just an okay wash and go. I didn't have to do much refreshing, which was really nice. So when I woke up, not too much of frizz, but let's get into this video where you'll see the application and I'll tell you a little bit more about the application as well. But before we do that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So this styling product from Vatika contains no sulfates and no silicones, and water is also one of the first ingredients. It promises no flaking. It didn't flake. It promises lasting hold. This is not going to give me lasting hold at all, and retains moisture. It's done a fairly good job in Johannesburg winter. Although it is September, it is spring, but it's still a bit chilly outside. It's done okay. When it came to the application, I really did not like the application of this product. What I found during the application was when I applied it to my hair, the product disappeared and my hair didn't feel as though it was coated with any product, which means I kept putting more and more and my hands started feeling just a little bit grainy. So I didn't like the application. It didn't give me any confidence in the product when it came to the application. So I applied it all over my hair in sections. As I said, I didn't enjoy the application. During the application, I did have a lot of length, which surprised me a lot. So after I applied it, I did let my hair air dry. And as I said to you guys, this is the next day and these are the results. For me, it's not one of my favorite results that I received. Something that I did like about the product is I like the texture. So if you open this up, it's white in color, and the best way or the best reference I can give you in terms of texture is it reminds me of the Cantu Twist and Lock gel texture. This is like a cream gel, and it also smells very nice. It has a very soft smell, and as you can see, it is like a cream gel type of application, but once it gets onto your hair, it disappears and it just doesn't feel like it's coating the hair. Before I end the video, I'm just going to tell you about the directions. It says to comb, twist, freehand twist, or double strand twist. Begin by shampooing hair with the Vatika shampoo and then condition and deep condition. And then afterwards it tells us to apply the gel to sections, twist the hair with the comb or fingers, use sparingly when styling hair along the hairline, updos or sleek back styles, and more. So I use this for wash and go, but this is their Twist and Lock gel, and I thought that I could use this for a wash and go. It's something I wouldn't use for a wash and go at all. So I would think use this for twists, use this for finger curls, something like that, but for wash and go, for me, it's a no. Thanks guys for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I did try to use this Twist and Lock gel for wash and go and it didn't work for me. You can see the results whether you like it or not. Thank you once again for joining me, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.